Alright y'all, welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. Now we are going to make peas and cheese casserole. To do this you're going to need early peas, very young small peas. Up here you can only get Le Sueur. Down in Louisiana we use petit pois peas. And then we're going to use cream of mushroom. So first we're going to get the cream of mushroom in the bowl. So that's going to be 2 cans of cream of mushroom. I'm making a double batch too, by the way. Because this is my favorite. I could eat this, rolls, and lemon pie. You're going to do 1 cup of sour cream. And then you're just going to mix this together. You want to drain your peas. So then you want to just fold in your peas. Again, this is a double batch. You want to take your pan and put half in. Next, you want to take your Velveeta cheese or whatever cheese you like. Velveeta has worked the best for years, so that's what we use. I don't know where my cheese slicer is, so I'll just use this. And slice about that thick of a slice and just layer it on top of your peas. Then we'll put the rest of the pea mixture on top. Tomorrow, when I bake this, I'll show you what I do, but I put it in the oven and I let it cook for about 10 minutes, and then I put the onions on and let it cook for another 10 minutes until it's bubbling, and then it'll be ready. So I'll just put this in the fridge tonight and pop it in the oven tomorrow, so everything will be done at one time. I don't like my onions soggy, so I don't want to cook it tonight. Okay, I've had the peas and cheese in the oven, heating up from last night since it was in the fridge. Now I'm going to add the French fried onions, and we'll cook it another 10 minutes. I'm going to finish off this bag. You don't have to put this many. All right, back in the oven we go for 10 minutes. All right, y'all, the peas are out. I can't wait to start eating these up. When they start bubbling like that, they're ready. Wait until